Alright guys, we were back with another episode of I try to train Truffles, but she trains me. I'm telling you, she's a user. She just uses me for the treats. Anyway, I do have to start putting a little bit of pressure on her. It's really hard for me to do because, again, I've raised this dog from a puppy, and you've got that little emotional glass ceiling that it's hard to get past and put any pressure on a dog. So I'm going to have to try, though. That's why you guys at home can't train yours. So anyway, we're just going to work her around a little bit. Got my pager on in this blue collar. You know, and I'm almost not sure the dog just shouldn't make it, though. For whatever reason, this is probably one of the original collars. But it kind of has a loud buzzing to it. It's almost like its own sound box. So I don't know if that's not the way they should all be. I'm not going to get down there because they're smoking cigarettes down there. We don't heel like the dogs do. We buy cigarette smoke heel. Heel. Down. Heel. Leash loose. Oh, she just flips it out of the way. Started a little turn towards with her. She fights that pressure. So now apply pressure, do my pager, heel. See, she fights that pressure. So when I didn't put any pressure, she did better. And that leash loose though. Down. She just didn't go down fast enough though. No, down, and my neck, down. Good girl. I'm going to bring her back beside me though. Truffles, heel, down. And I'm just going to tell her now she's not giving into the pressure of the leash. Or she's throwing all her weight into it. I'm going to go back this one, heel. See how she got out of position? Good girl. Good girl. Does great with the turn away because I can pull her around. She's got to speed up. Heel. I did get your car looped, okay? You're distracting my dog. I'll chase them down and fill them in on that. And I'm going to go towards them. And that's what I need to work on, is her giving into that pressure instead of throwing her weight into it. Heel. 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 Good. Fabulous. She's very, very tractable. She's very greedy. Very greedy. I'm like these people that say, oh, it's all my fault that she's that way. Heel. So I need to heel. I know you're like, why is she wrapping that leash? That was an accident. Good. That was actually a little bit better. So I'm going to do that again. Heel. 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 Good. And bam, let that pressure go. Alright guys, we'll be right back with Andre.